Hi everyone, and welcome back as James. It is May 5th, 2019. I'm in my kitchen and I'm making dinner for tonight. I'm making creamy garlic chicken. Oh my god, the aroma is fantastic. I wish you could smell it. Anyway, take a look. Behold, it's done. Creamy garlic chicken. And you can make this yourself. Oh my god, I've already tried it. So, now I'm going to explain the recipe to you. I use chicken breast, salt and pepper, butter, olive oil, lemon juice, homemade heavy cream, garlic, soup stock. In order to make the sauce, I had to make soup stock using bouillon cubes. Next, I had to make my heavy cream. I used 1 cup of milk and about a third cup of butter. Instant heavy cream. The next thing I did was slice up the chicken, seasoned it with salt and pepper. Then I dredged the chicken in flour. Next, I chopped up some garlic. Then I fried the garlic with olive oil and butter. Next, I put in the dredged chicken. I fried it till it was golden brown. I then removed the chicken. To make the sauce, I added the soup stock and the heavy butter. I also added a tablespoon of lemon juice. I let everything marry, and then I put back the chicken. Let it cook on medium heat for about 15 minutes, and then it was done. Here comes the taste test. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.